Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to send a PDF file in Gmail. So to start with, open up your Gmail account. You're going to click on Compose. Then from there, you need to write in the email address of who you want to send the PDF to. So let me write that in at gmail.com. So check for any typos, and then you're going to write in the subject. So I'm just going to write PDF and body of the email, enjoy this PDF. Obviously, write in whatever you want to write. Then we're going to go down the bottom. We need to attach our PDF now. So you want to look for the little paper clip, and you can see this is where you attach files. So I'm going to click on that, and another box open up, and you can search your computer for the PDF. Click on the PDF and click on open, and that will start attaching to the email. It might take a few seconds. You need to give it time to load, especially if it's a large PDF. You can see this blue bar is uploading that PDF to my email. But once that is done, all I have to do is click send, and that PDF will be sent. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.